He was one of the Tin Man's advisors. To think that he would...
I'm so sorry, Scarecrow. We never knew.
We have to get him out.
The key's over there. To the right. Don't really have the fingers to point it out.
You're alive!
My body is over there as well.
The key lies together with love.
Can't give someone brains, but you can sure give them legs.
So how are we gonna stop Tin Man?
You've already learned how.
What?
Well, back we go, I guess.
The engine pressure valve is to your left.
Thank you.
How can a scarecrow live without his head?
Quite boringly. The matter of my head loss is a short but simple story, which started after the rebellion in the Emerald City 40 years, 7 months, and 5 days ago.
They rebelled. Everything I've done for Emerald City, for all of Oz. And they questioned me.
Is this the vision you had for Oz? For Nimi? Is this what you'd like her to see when she wakes? The Emerald City torn by hate? I have guided you, supported you, all in the hopes of keeping you from forgetting your heart.
What has my heart brought me? The anger and spite of idiot tra-la-la munchkins who took my love. I will not tolerate them or their magic in my Emerald City again.
And what of me? Will you listen to reason?
I am finished listening to your so-called advice.
You know what he did next.